Wayne Guy with the Northern Colorado chapter of localvideobiz.tv. I hope you're all having a great day. We just got back with a really nice interview with Barry at Advantage Insurance, LLC. Barry's been in Loveland, Colorado area selling insurance plans for businesses, individuals, car insurance, automotive insurance, home, life, business insurance, and there's much more. So we're going to go over now and we're going to talk to Barry, and I hope you enjoy this interview. It's about 7 minutes long. Take care. But we're here at Advantage Insurance, and Barry's been in the marketplace for how many years?
Almost 30 years.
Almost 30 years in Loveland, Colorado, Northern Colorado.
Yep.
And you've been the local insurance guy. That's what's the cool thing is you're the insurance guy here in Northern Colorado.
I try to stand out from the rest.
Well, here at Local Video Biz, what we really strive at doing is looking at local businesses that make a difference in their community and how they've survived the test of time in their local marketplace. So you, being here for over 30 years, living here in Northern Colorado and being an active insurance agent, how long have you been doing insurance here in Northern Colorado? Tell us a little bit about your business.
Well, next year we'll be celebrating our 30th anniversary in Loveland, Colorado, and we serve all of Northern Colorado. Moved here in 1978. My kids are all born and raised here, and they all still live here. And we're all very involved with the community with Habitat for Humanity, Reflections for Youth, Loveland Rural Fire Department, and stay involved in the community through all those events.
Wow. So you're super busy in the community, and how do you feel as far as being involved with the community has really made a difference in, say, not just your business, but really within the community, and how does that connect as far as being a great local business?
Well, we always like to give back to support all the business in the local community also, and stay involved and get to meet people and give back to them by honoring their business and doing business with the local people.
And I've also, it's kind of interesting. It always amazes me when you go down any type of local market, like here in Loveland, Colorado, you see multiple different type of places that they sell about the same service, but they all have their own niche. What makes Advantage Insurance stand out from the others in the marketplace?
Well, a lot of people, they just want cheap service, and because we know our customers, we got to give them what they need. If you want cheap, you get on the internet and you can buy something cheap, and if you want to sign a waiver, we can sell you something cheap, but we have to sell the policy that matches the customer. If you have assets, we want to sell an umbrella, the correct limits of liability, the correct deductibles, full coverage liability. We review your needs and we sell you what you need up to what you can afford to match those needs.
Well, I'm kind of curious. I heard a gentleman talking, I forget where it was. I was having dinner somewhere, and he was talking about. He went to an insurance agency. He said about time that he went over to this particular insurance agency. He said it was a reputable company, which it is, and it was a big company. And I know it was a captive agency. What advantage, which is great, Advantage Insurance LLC, would someone have coming to you rather than just maybe a one particular agency that sells one product?
We have a huge advantage over the captive agencies. We have about 20 different companies to match what you need. I was in the captive insurance business before I did this, and they typically have one product and one company to sell for. If they can't sell that product or help your needs, they have to send you down the road, or you have to go do it. We now get lots of referrals from the captive agencies that are sending us business that they can't do, and we never have to say anyone out the door without their needs, because we can meet any of their needs what they have, from airplanes to any type of business, one-day events, one-day golfing, fishing events, catching a tide fish. We can do it all.
So as far as if they came to you and they ask you, hey, they can't help us here, are you able to show them the companies you work with? Because, this gentleman said, he was with a big company, but you represent multiple big companies, and I know I see some of the commercials. When I was up in the lobby, I saw some of the brochures that you had, some of the huge companies out here in the country, in the United States.
Oh, not in any order, but the Hartford's 200 years old. MetLife, we have StateAuto, Safeco, Allied, Dairyland, Foremost. Those are some of the main companies that we have and represent, and they've all billion-dollar companies, and they all have special niches in the market in both personal lines and commercial lines.
Now, this is kind of off the topic. This is more since I love advertising, and I've seen multiple commercials of those companies, and there's some really cool commercials on there. Just for fun, what are the two of your favorite commercials that you've seen for those companies that are online that someone out here might have seen on TV?
The woodchuck one.
Was that the one that says, "Hey, you darn woodchuck, stop chucking my wood"?
Yes, and that also played during the last Super Bowl.
Okay.
In February. So that was a good one. MetLife has a good one. Progressive has many good ones.
Yeah, I like the guy bouncing around dancing with that dollar sign.
Yep.
So, well, gosh, being in this marketplace, and obviously we're basically talking advertising. I'm holding one of Barry's calendars and some different cards here. So, and what else have you sent out? What people recognize you as the insurance guy in Loveland, Colorado?
I'd say my trademark for 27 years. I've been handing out my notepads, to-do list. They fit in the back pocket if you're a contractor. They fit in a woman's purse. We hand out about 5,000 of those a year, along with my calendars. My business cards all have calendars on the back. And we also do about 3,000 calendars to all of our customers and many of the businesses. And we do that all free of charge, and along with giving the business owners a pen.
And didn't you say that you actually get people that still call you? Like you handed out something maybe a couple years ago or however long, and they call you?
Happens all the time. Just last week, I did a mailing a year ago, March of 2010. I sent the guy a mailer, and he kept it in his house. And he called me last week, and we insured him last week from a mailing a year ago.
Now that's a true testament to show how you should be doing your offline marketing. So. Including your online, so that's really cool. Where they're able to, how well an offline marketing strategy really works. So, well, Barry, I don't know if I have many more questions. Is there anything else that you want to say, or how do people contact you online, or call you, or do you have websites?
We have a website. It's online, advantageinsurance.com. Office phone, cell phone. We have 3 full-time people upstairs that work to serve your needs. They call me on my cell phone, email, text.
We'll have some of these numbers on the screen for you, so if you want to call Barry to get an insurance quote for pretty much anything, your home, car, life,
Renters,
business,
work comp.
You name it, they'll have it. So
one call, we do it all.
All right, Barry, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All righty. Take care now. Hey, this is Rob Smith, the local marketing guy here in Northern Colorado chapter of localvideobiz.tv. Have a great day.